lovely, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ethiopian Agash, and today's video will be cleaning our driveway using a pressure washer and also clean our front door area and garage door and decorate for fall. I hope this video will bring you tons of cleaning motivation, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get to it.
Parts of you on my heart bodies interlace, slow and easy, and I can reach you from a distance.
So lovely, before we start cleaning, I wanted to show you my boots. Very comfortable and very durable. I got it 3 years ago from Nordstrom Rack. But I just wanted to share with you that this is what I wear when I do gardening most of the time, and also when I go out, and you can style it and wear it with jeans and leggings. So comfortable. So I'll make sure to link it for you if you want to check it out. I'm sweeping this covered area where we usually put our trash cans. It is covered, so it is so nice during winter time to keep our trash can dry from rain and snow. But what I'm thinking is for next spring or summer to clean and decorate this area, so that way we can sit and enjoy our front yard and front area, and we can watch the kids play. So that's what I have in mind. Now we'll go ahead and start washing our driveway using this pressure washer we rented from Home Depot.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Almost done with washing our driveway, and we'll be moving on to cleaning our front door and then decorating it. Tune in until the end.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking
like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy.
I was looking for a chair to put by our front door, and I found this metal garden bench from Amazon. It's nice to have a chair, especially right now with COVID. We do not allow anybody to wear their shoes inside our house. So it's nice to have a chair that they can sit on to put their shoes on and off. So now we'll go ahead and put it together. And if you like it, I'll make sure to link it below for you. Check in my description box.
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love.
Done with putting the bench together, and I love how it turned out. And we'll be moving on to putting the wreath on the door. I got this wreath hanger from West Elm. I thought it was gonna work out. I did not realize that the window we have on the door was gonna prevent the door from closing, but it did. What I did was I went to Michael's and got a flat tacks and a ribbon. What I'm gonna do is cut the ribbon to the size I want and attach it to the top of the door using the flat tack. And that way, if I want to change the wreath anytime, I can just untie the wreath that I have and put a new one on. So that's a very easy DIY that you can do. Make sure to link everything under my description below for you.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love.
I like how it turned out. I got this doormat from Pottery Barn. It's very nice and natural looking. Like I told you last time, I did not want to add a lot of colors on my doormat, or I did not want it to have any writing on it. So I wanted something simple, and that's what I found. I'll link it below for you. And I did not want to put pumpkins or anything else. I just wanted to have like a simple decor. So I have these two flowers, burgundy and orange. And I got this decorative pieces from Hobby Lobby last time. I thought I was gonna like it with this chair, but I thought it was too much, and I decided to return it back. So I just want to leave the chair alone as it is. Moving on to cleaning our garage door and the windows. It's been a while since we cleaned it. I really needed it. So that's what we're doing right now. And we'll be moving on to decorating the door. And I got some decorative pieces from Amazon. I will show you what it looks like later on. It really makes a huge difference on the door.
The longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes.
And we're cleaning our garage door, and we'll be moving on to decorating the garage door. And I got this garage door accessory from Amazon. We found it to be an inexpensive and easy way to dress up our garage. It is magnetic and easy to install. I'll make sure to link it below for you.
And I am on my way.
Okay, lovely. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be showing you the before and after of what our driveway and front area look like. It is so satisfying. I hope you found this video enjoyable. If you do, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until I see you on my next video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.